decided that for some camping trips, I would like to have a camper bed in the back of my SUV. It would also be really nice on long road trips. So after Googling and searching Pinterest, my husband and I came up with a design we thought would work. This is for a Ford Edge, but you could change the measurements and do some math and make it work for any SUV. Most of the platform beds I saw were made of wood, but we wanted something lighter that I could pick up and insert by myself if I wanted to go on an impromptu trip. So we took our measurements, did some math, and we went to the hardware store. We got a 1/2 inch thick piece of plywood that measured like 4 foot by 8 foot, 4 long pieces of 2-inch diameter PVC pipe, and then all the connectors were also 2-inch diameter. We got 4 4-way connectors, 4 3-way connectors, and 1 5-way connector. We got 9 end caps, used 8 wood screws, and some Gorilla Glue. We also had an old camp mattress that's probably a full size, about 53 by 74 inches. And we used a 1x3 board to hold the whole platform in place while we were driving. Now this whole platform is designed as a grid of 6 vertical pieces and 6 horizontal pieces that are connected with these PVC pipe connectors, each with an opening facing down so there can be a leg at every point of connection. This supports our body weight better. The front 3 vertical pieces close to the front of the car are shorter than the back 3. This has to do with the way our seats are configured. Step 1 was to cut our plywood to 45 inches by 68 inches. It's large enough for us to lay on, but it also lets our front seat recline back as much as either of us would want to when we were driving. Step 2 was to cut our platform pieces. So we cut 3 vertical pieces that were 25.5 inches. Those are the shorter ones. Then 3 vertical 35-inch pieces. All of our horizontal pieces, all 6 of them, were 18.5 inches.
Go. All right, go.
No, I'm not doing it.
We'll do it. I'm gonna video
No,
you
because the mark's right here.
I know. We'll put it on. Bring the saw down without turning it on.
The mark needs to be level with the hole, right?
Right, but bring the saw down without turning it on to where the blade touches it. Yeah. Now. Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, just turn the saw on. Squeeze the trigger.
Is it level enough?
Yeah,
I'm
it's
scared.
fine. It's fine.
I'm scared.
It's fine.
Okay. Is it gonna shake or anything?
No, just turn it on. Pull the trigger.
Okay.
Okay,
Before I go down, I pull the trigger.
Yeah. Pull the trigger.
It's not gonna hit me with
No,
anything?
it's not gonna do anything.
This is a big deal for me.
I get it.
Okay. Do I have to
Squeeze
hold
the
it tight?
trigger. Yeah, just try it. You're not hurting the pipe. You're not hurting the pipe.
Did animals die anywhere?
Step 3 was to dry fit all the pieces together and only glue when necessary. The 4-way connectors are used at each side, the 3-way connectors at the corners, and of course the 5-way connector is the very center connection. We checked to make sure our storage boxes would fit between the legs and that the whole platform was high enough to have some storage boxes to slide underneath. Step 4 was to cut our legs. The back 6 legs are all the same length, just 6.5 inches. We tapped end caps onto them, keeping in mind that the end cap adds like 1.25 inches to the height. The front 3 legs are the ones that will be removable. We'll only insert them when we're actually using the platform bed. So the 2 on the side are 20 inches, and the center one that goes directly on the hump of the floorboard is 18 inches. We tapped end caps onto the bottom of these legs, but at the top, we made 4 equidistant slits around the top of all 3 of them. These are about 2-inch slits. We did this to just facilitate easy setup. It just made them easier to screw in and to pull out. Step 5 was to set our plywood on top of the platform. and attach that 1x3 board cut to 36 inches along the back to hold it and keep the wood from moving forward when like we slam on the brakes or if we kind of stop short. So we used wood screws and screwed it in flush with the back of the platform, and that holds it in place. So step 7 is to put our mattress on. Like I said, this was an old camper bed mattress, I think a full size for a StarCraft pop-up, but you can find replacement mattresses at RV and camper sites. You could also just order some from the foam factory online. Some of my very best sleep has been on this camper mattress with a plywood base. Okay, so now it's time to put it to the test. Would I be able to put this all together, insert it, and set it up by myself and relatively quickly?
Yeah, you might want to do the middle one first because it stays in better.
Okay. Okay. You can stay right here. Here. I don't really know how to. Now I got it. You ready?
Yeah.
Maybe.
You got it. You got it. Just lay it down
It's not.
and then set it on the ground and
It's
then
just cutting my leg, that's all. I'm wearing shorts. Got me.
you okay?
Okay. Gear can fit into there. And now it doesn't look like it fits here, but it fits tight on the other side.
Outside.
Yeah. Basically. It does fit, they're tight.
Well, it can be adjusted too, huh?
Right.
As needed.
That was pretty fast.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then climb up in there
Okay.
from the side.
Yeah. Ta-da! Wait. But wait.
Oh, it's a little too far back. It hit something.
But we know it works.
Yeah,
It worked
yeah.
earlier.
It hit the mattress. The mattress wasn't slid all the way forward.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, that's not too bad. I just slipped right out.
Yeah, I really thought it would be an ordeal here.
Now, video of me getting in is a little bit different though.
Oh, don't break anything. Being silly.
Okay. It can be done.
Okay.
Not bad for one Sunday afternoon's work.